Good morning, YouTube. Today I'm gonna be getting a bit dirty. We're gonna be harvesting potatoes, see how it goes. So I planted these potatoes back in November. It is now February, about to be March. So it's been almost 3 months. But it's starting to get yellow. And I need to find out what's going on up there. So I'm gonna tear these plants out. And then I'm gonna dump them there. And we're gonna get all the potatoes out, see if there's any. So this little experiment worked. So I just pulled some of these up, and there is some little potatoes here on the ends, which means they're growing in there. It's just they're starting to dry, get attacked. Something's getting to them. So let's flip it over. So as you guys just saw, it looks like we got maybe a pound of potatoes out of there. It was almost nothing. I think what happened was there was quite a few ants going into the bucket. I guess the ants were just eating them up as they were coming out, as they were sprouting out. So I got a pound of potatoes in 3 months. I think I might have to redo this and maybe put down some more ant traps. But anyway, it was a good try. I live in South Texas where it's really dry and it's really hot, so might as well just buy the potatoes at the store. Less effort, less water. Well, that was it. I hope you guys liked it. Don't remember to subscribe in the bottom if you liked the video. I'll be posting up some more of this little garden as it grows. I got some corn planted in too. I'll see you guys later. Bye.